Believe it or not, anyone is at risk of developing nerve damage. In medical terms, this is referred to as a neuropathy. This terrible health condition can destroy your way of life because it causes weakness, pain, numbness, and cold sensations usually in your hands and feet. And if nothing is done to prevent or treat it, it can develop unbearable pain that makes you wish you would have done something to prevent this from happening. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the best natural treatment for neuropathy and what you should be doing to prevent this terrible health condition. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. And this channel is a conventional doctor to treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need to line an appointment or quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com, and I encourage you to stay till the end of this video, where I'm going to reveal extra tips and video links related to this topic. A neuropathy is a fancy term to describe nerve damage. Nerves are long cells that connect the entire body together. They're the ones responsible for commanding movement, transmitting pain, temperature changes, and much more. And it only makes sense that if these nerves become damaged, they're going to start transmitting incorrect information throughout the body. The problem is that anyone is at risk of developing a neuropathy, especially people with vitamin C deficiencies, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, or genetic disorders. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the best natural treatment for neuropathy and what you should be doing to prevent this terrible health condition naturally and effectively. I'm going to divide this natural treatment in two very important parts. First, we're going to talk about the best natural supplements to prevent and reverse this health condition. And the second one is the most important lifestyle changes you need to treat and even prevent a neuropathy. Part 1. Natural supplements to reverse or prevent neuropathies. Believe it or not, anyone is at risk of developing a neuropathic condition. Some of the most common health risk factors that trigger nerve damage include, for example, diabetes, exposure to toxins, vitamin deficiencies, medications, infections, autoimmune conditions, and the truth is that anyone, young or old, can develop nerve damage. If you already suffer from a neuropathy, you'll be happy to learn that a combination of natural remedies and supplements can really help if you know how to use them. Later in this video, I'm going to reveal an important natural formula you can use to help treat your neuropathy naturally. So let's go over the best options. Number 1, alpha lipoic acid. Alpha lipoic acid is a very popular supplement used in Germany to treat diabetic neuropathies. As a matter of fact, it's an approved supplement for the treatment in this European nation. According to research, alpha lipoic acid can help those suffering from neuropathies by influencing in glucose metabolism. You see, nerve cells need glucose to stay healthy, and in conditions like diabetes, there's a serious problem with glucose metabolism. Alpha lipoic acid is shown to improve nerve damage because it helps nerves receive nutrients that improve this health condition and prevents it from getting worse. So remember, alpha lipoic acid. Number 2, Neuromatrix. Neuromatrix when Finland is the best natural formula available, containing more than 5 100% natural ingredients specifically designed to improve nerve function and calm neuropathic pain. You see, when it comes to treating a neuropathic condition, it's very difficult to buy individual vitamins, minerals, and supplements to be able to use them efficiently on a daily basis. It's always best to try and consume a formula that has all the ingredients you need instead of buying them separately. It's a lot more economic and practical. Neuromatrix contains alpha lipoic acid, B vitamins, curcumin, and other ingredients specifically designed to treat neuropathic pain. Don't forget that a neuropathy is one of the most difficult health conditions to treat. This is a direct damage to your nerves. This means that if you're going to do a good treatment, you need to do it well. You need good natural supplements, a good diet, and a good lifestyle change. Part 2. Lifestyle changes to treat and prevent a neuropathy. This part of the treatment is very important. By all means, do not ignore it. The first step in managing this disease is to treat the underlying cause. So for example, if your neuropathy is caused by diabetes, well, you have to start regulating your blood sugar levels. If your neuropathy is caused by rheumatoid arthritis, then you need to treat this condition, and so on. If you need more information on how to treat the underlying cause of your disease, check out my other videos where I talk about these diseases specifically. Number 1, control your sugar levels. The best thing you can do to help prevent or even control a neuropathy is to manage your blood glucose levels. You see, nerves live off sugar, so maintaining a stable blood sugar level within a healthy range is one of the most important things you should be doing to prevent nerve damage or a neuropathy. Hundreds of medical studies have discovered that a poor blood sugar control greatly increases the risk for peripheral neuropathies, which by the way accounts for the great majority of neuropathies or complications due to diabetes. If you want to control your blood sugar levels, make sure to measure it with a glucometer and follow my other videos where I talk about how to do this naturally. This will help you out tremendously. Number 2, special massages and exercise. If you didn't know this, this is very important. A good number of neuropathies are also caused by poor circulation, and this is why exercising and massaging in areas where you have the symptoms can really help. Exercising regularly is one of the best ways to improve circulation to areas where there's nerve damage. For example, in a 2012 study published in the Journal of Diabetes Complications, they found that regular exercise causes a significant reduction in pain of neuropathic symptoms and increases intraepidermal nerve fiber branching. If you want to use exercise as a tool, practice 30 minutes of low-impact exercises like cycling, swimming, or even walking on a daily basis. Massage is another very important tool you can use to improve circulation into areas where the body needs it the most. If you have someone at home who can help you out with massages on a daily basis, try it. It really helps. Number 3, changes in diet. Diet is another very important part of your treatment. This is crucial. You see, diet has a direct impact on inflammation and blood sugar levels in your body. This means you need to focus your diet around whole foods and limit or reduce the intake of refined carbohydrates, added sugars, or even sugary drinks. Try to eat plenty of high fiber foods that are packed with nutrients, but at the same time are low in artificial ingredients. Some of these might be vegetables, whole fruits, etc., all of which are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. In simple terms, try to eat food that comes from the most natural form possible. And at the same time, I strongly suggest you supplement on an anti-inflammatory substance like curcumin. If you need a high-quality formula, you can find CurcuHealth at drlandivar.com. The supplement contains a very high concentration of curcuminoids, bioperin, and 2 other powerful substances that enhance the absorption and protect the body against inflammation that can worsen neuropathies. Number 4, stay away from toxins. If you didn't know this, you should, because people that build up toxic waste can also suffer a neuropathy. In practical terms, this means that if you smoke, you need to quit smoking as soon as possible. If you're eating foods that are not organic, they're probably filled with pesticides, chemicals, antibiotics, etc. If you're using household cleaners or beauty products, you should be considering reducing their use at home or changing the way you clean at home. All these changes play a very important role with toxic buildup. The more organic you go, the better you will be. Number 5, protect your skin and your feet. If you have nerve damage, especially in your hands and feet, you should be constantly monitoring them to see any signs of injuries, blisters, sores, or even ulcers. You see, foot and skin care are very important parts of treatment and prevention in a neuropathy. Let's not forget that if the nerves are damaged, the small blisters or cuts will not be felt in the skin and many times go unnoticed. If these happen, these can cause an infection and make matters even worse. So be careful. Help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlandivar.com. And right over here, I suggest you check out this videos related to this topic. You're going to find valuable information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.